Hey guys, I'm Shana and you're watching Recipes Are Simple. I'm here to help you make some weeknight quick meals that will help you through this lockdown period. I hope you're all staying safe, staying home, and we will get through this together. So straight to the recipe, we're making a quick Singapore chicken fried rice. It's tasty, it's quick, it's simple, it feeds a family of 4. So let's get straight to the recipe. We have 2 cups of rice. I'm using Thai or jasmine rice. It's cooked ahead of time and I spread it out in this tray to cool off. You can also use day-old rice. And then we have chicken, 200 to 300 grams of chicken that has been marinated after cutting into small cubes with 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix this all together and just set it aside briefly while you gather all your other ingredients for the fried rice. And now we're going to start cooking. We have 3 tablespoons of oil in a large wok here. I'm using peanut oil. Just give it a good swirl. Cook on a high heat. Fried rice needs to be cooked on the highest flame possible. To this we're going to add 1 onion. I'm using a Vidalia onion, half of an onion here, sliced, and just saute it very briefly. To this we're going to add the marinated chicken. Once you add the marinated chicken, you want to toss this on a very high heat till it's no longer pink. And add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and stir this through till the garlic is no longer raw in smell. And then we're going to add some chili bean sauce. You can use any type of chili bean sauce or paste available. You can also use chili paste or chili garlic sauce, whatever you have. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of chili bean sauce here, which is a combination of red chili paste as well as fermented soybean. And we're just going to stir that through till the chicken is coated and fragrant with this sauce. The chicken shouldn't take too long to cook on a high heat. It will take less than 2 minutes and it should cut through like cutting butter. And we're going to quickly move that to another bowl and set it aside. In the same wok, we're going to fry our eggs. I have 4 eggs here, lightly beaten. You can add some salt and pepper. So to the wok, we're going to add a little bit more oil, 2 tablespoons of peanut oil again, and we're going to add our eggs. Add the eggs and allow it to set briefly before you start to scramble them and before they're completely dry from scrambling. And you're going to add the cool rice. And now you're just going to stir fry and toss on this high heat till all the grains are separated and coated in the egg. So this will take from between 2 to 5 minutes depending on the heat of your wok. Keep tossing and maintain that high heat, and you don't want to step aside because the egg will burn. You want to keep on tossing with a big metal spatula. So here all the grains are heated through and they're separated and they're glossy. To this we're going to add salt to taste. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Later you can also add a little bit of light soy sauce to taste. So once all the grains are separated and fried through and you can see the steam coming from the rice and you can actually smell the fried rice, you're going to add 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of frozen mixed vegetables. This is beans, peas, carrot, and corn. So you don't need to thaw it, just add it to the hot rice and it will thaw on its own. It also keeps the rice from being very dry. Keep on tossing in that high heat until it's mixed through and return the cooked chicken. And you're going to stir through once again. Now you can really notice the difference in the aroma once you've added the chicken. Keep tossing on the high heat once more till it's nice and fragrant, and then add 1/2 teaspoon or so of white pepper powder at the end. Stir through once more, garnish with spring onion greens, and your Singapore quick chicken fried rice is ready. You can serve this with any sides or some pickled green chili. It's great. I hope you try the quick recipe and spend less time in the kitchen. I hope you're all doing well, and let me know if there's any particular type of recipes that you'd like to see. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have lots more recipes coming, recipes from everywhere, recipes for everyone. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.